How to use Gemini AI for image generation. To create an image with Gemini, you want to go to the Gemini website or app and enter the description, text prompt, and click create button. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have Gemini onto your device. Also make sure that you've registered with your Google account. So what you need is, for a better result, you could write a narrative style description, or rather than just a keyword and specific details like subject, settings, and style as well. You can also generate image with Google Docs by going to insert image or generate image as well. If you're using Gemini itself, then you want to go to gemini.google.com, open this up. Next, you want to enter a descriptive prompt in the text box. Example include a futuristic cityscape or maybe image of a dog. Let's see, this is the one. Hit the arrow button. It's going to take a while in order to generate the image. As you could see, the result says generating image. So while doing this, you also need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and wait for it. And as soon as you've done this, you'll have successfully used Gemini AI for generating an image. So now what you could do is, next you could also go ahead and type in a prompt and do the same thing with the rest of the other image that you want to create. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.